Hello, it's me again. I'm here with another video talking about Article 31, your child's right to relax and play. So in my previous video I mentioned dens and how they can be a fantastic space for your child to relax and calm down in. And I know it's not feasible to leave a den up in your living room or your kitchen all the time, so I just wanted to come to you with another idea about creating a calming space within your house. So this could be used as a just sort of a fun sensory play activity, but it could also be a space that you agree on as a family. There will be a calming space for children to use when they need to, but also for you as adults to use when you need to as well. And so I would just choose a corner of the house that you all agree will be your calming space and put some cushions on the floor. I then went round my house and collected a basket full of things that you potentially have in your house too, that can be used in a sensory way to calm and relax, for calming and relaxing. So the first thing I found was a sort of clean, fresh shower scrub. These are great for squeezing, for rolling in your hands. They feel like fantastic and spongy. The same for dish sponges. They're the same. They've got great texture for squeezing and touching and grabbing. I've got some tissue paper in my house. You may not have tissue paper, but newspaper would do the same, the scrunching, and that's fantastic, as well as silk scarves or a scarf. They're lovely and colourful, but also they feel nice. They have a lovely texture to them. We don't have any soft balls in our house, but a soft ball would be ideal, but if not, a hard ball does just a good job as well. Brushes can be quite relaxing if you use them like this. Your children will I'm sure find lots of different ways to use them in a relaxing way. The same for dishcloths, like polishing cloths. They can be used really helpfully as well. And the last thing I found was some foil. So they're great for creating light off the walls, using the light in your house to sort of bounce off the walls, and can be quite relaxing and therapeutic as well. I did try to make my own glitter jar, and it didn't work very well. I don't have glitter in my house, but I did try just the tiniest drop of fairy liquid in a jar, and I thought maybe you could ask your child to choose a sort of small figure to go in them. So glitter jars are normally great for shaking really hard and then just watching the glitter settle, but I guess with a toy in there, you will be able to see the toy move around and then settle eventually, and you can sort of see there's lots of bubbles in mine because I've been trying it out. So these are just some simple things that you can do. Your child may have a favourite feel or toy or texture that they like, so include that in the basket, and also get your children to go around with you and choose things to go in the calming down box. And I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.